TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome to the Wix tutorial series. Today we're taking a look at adding writers to your Wix blog. Now, by default, anyone that comes to your site can read and share blog posts, but if you want them to be able to create blog posts for you and become a co-writer, they'll be able to add posts, manage their own, and manage comments on their own posts. What they won't have permission to do is create categories, manage posts written by other writers, or manage comments on posts written by other writers. To do that, you need to be an admin. To let someone become a co-writer, it's very simple. All you need to do is select their profile on the members page and choose the More Actions icon. If you are an admin, you will see an option set as writer, and it will give you a quick notification letting you know what they can do. For example, add posts, manage comments, etc. Just choose confirm and they will become a writer, indicated by this little pen icon or quill icon underneath their name. To remove them as a writer, again, it's very simple. Just do the same thing. Select and choose remove writer. Make sure you can confirm this, and then they won't be able to create or manage any of their existing posts. That's it for this time around, so thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you all next time on TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.